Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw TRX from Robinhood to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. With the latest updates making things faster and more secure, this is perfect if you're looking to move your TRX assets seamlessly. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll walk you through each step clearly and quickly. Let's dive right in. First things first. Make sure you have both your Robinhood and Coinbase wallet accounts set up and verified. This is crucial for smooth transactions in 2025, as new security protocols are in place to protect your funds. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Once you're in, head over to your portfolio section and locate your TRX holdings. It's usually under the Crypto tab, easy peasy. Next, select TRX from your assets. You'll see an option to withdraw or transfer. Click on that, and Robinhood will prompt you to enter the destination wallet address. Now, switch to your Coinbase wallet app, go to the settings, and copy your wallet address. Double-check this. One wrong digit could send your TRX into the void. In 2025, Robinhood has integrated better with major wallets like Coinbase, so you'll also need to select the correct network. For TRX, that's the Tron network. Confirm your selection to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you've entered the address and amount, review the transaction details. Pay attention to any fees. They might be lower this year due to updates, but always check. Hit confirm, and Robinhood will process your withdrawal. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. After that, jump back to your Coinbase wallet and refresh. You should see your TRX arriving shortly. Pro tip. Enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security in this digital age. And there you have it. You've successfully withdrawn your TRX. Remember, crypto is all about staying informed, so keep an eye on 2025 regulations. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.